In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Balsamiq for free. Let's take a step-by-step approach to ensure that you can get this powerful tool onto your computer in just a few minutes. Whether you're using Windows or a Mac, I've got you covered, so let's dive right in. First, I want you to open up your preferred web browser. You might use Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other, it doesn't matter. Whatever works best for you is perfect. Once you have your browser window open, go to the search bar and type in Balsamiq. This will help us locate the official website quickly and easily. Now, once you've hit search, you'll see several results pop up. What you're looking for is either the first link in the list or any link that contains the URL balsamiq.com. This URL is the official site, ensuring that you're downloading the software from a safe and trusted source. Go ahead and click on that link. Once you've arrived at the Balsamiq website, the next thing you need to do is locate the Products section in the website's navigation menu. This is usually found at the top of the page. All pages are designed a bit differently, but typically, important links like this are easy to spot. Click on Product, and you'll be directed to a page where you'll choose the version of Balsamiq that's right for your system. Here, you'll see options for different installers, specifically tailored for Windows or Mac operating systems. Choose the installer that matches your local device. If you're unsure which you need, you can simply check your device settings to confirm your operating system. Once you've selected the appropriate installer, click to begin the download. Depending on your internet connection, the download will take a few moments, so sit tight. After the download is complete, open the installer package and follow the on-screen instructions to install Balsamiq on your computer. This part is usually straightforward, prompting you to agree to terms and choosing a file location. When the installation process is finished, Balsamiq will automatically start up in a 14-day trial mode. This trial gives you the opportunity to test out all the features and become familiar with the software. Please note that after the trial period, you will need to purchase a license to continue editing your projects and making the most of what Balsamiq has to offer. That's it. You've successfully installed Balsamiq for free. Enjoy exploring the tool and happy designing. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.